configuration. So now let's go through the now through the listener control utility. Let me go back. Okay, the command, as I said before, is LSNR, like listener control CTL. Right. So at this point, if you can see the prompt, it changed. That means that you are inside the control utility. There is one command which is help. This command shows you all the commands that you can use it, like start, services, see, stop. So we will go through some of these. So the first one is gonna be how can we assign a password in the listener. So let's see first what is the status of the listener. We can use the status command. See right here. Let's see right here, security on. Right here, this line, security on, local operating system authentication. So let's see how this changes when we assign a password. Okay. So the first step is we are going to stop the listener. Right, and then we are going to start it again. Start. Okay, now that the next command is change password. Right, the old password, at this point we don't have any password. I mean, that's the default configuration of Oracle. Let's assume that we install the Oracle database and we are the first time assigning a password. So there is no old password, just press the enter key. The new password. Well, just for the purpose of this exercise, we are gonna type password as a password. Alright, and enter again. So my password is actually password, the word password. Okay. So now we need to save this configuration with the command save config. Okay. Now the configuration has been, as you see, the command completed successfully. That means the configuration has been saved. And now we can, let's see the status right now to compare as the previous one. Alright, see now the difference. Before, you can remember, was security on and just local operating system authentication. Now is the password security on the password was assigned. That now the security has been changed. Now let's see what is inside of this listener order. So let me go back to the Windows. Let me refresh this. Okay. Now let's see. Let me download this one. Listener order. Right here. Let me open it. The WordPad. See, right here, password listener. The good thing is actually that the password has been encrypted. So the next step right now is the database administrator basically needs to this file, the listener order, should assign a security access, so no others can read it right here. So but right now the password has been assigned, so each time that any user or any individuals, or actually could be a hacker, want to type any command of this control utility, now a password is going to be asked to be entered. So for instance, if for instance I see well, we can see right here the same information. That's what I wanted to see. Okay, so that was the first part of this demo. The second part of the demo is going to be so we are going to activate the listener logging. So let's see first doing this command, what is the status of that feature. So the status you can see using this show log status. If we can see, since I guess by default Oracle default configuration set it up as on with on value, which is on right now. We can also use other parameters like log directory to see where is this file. Okay. So it's saying that it is in the network log right here. Is where the log is located. We can check if you want. It is network log. Let's see. We need to go over here. Network and log. Alright, so this is the listener log. We can change if you want. We can create a new one if you want. So we can, let me see, let's create a new one so as for the purpose of this. Then okay. So let me go over again to the where it was the. Okay, let's create it right here. Let's create a new listener logging file. Okay, so we should have another folder which is listener logging. Okay, because we need actually a folder to create the new file in that folder. So it is required to have that folder created already. So let's see another parameter which is show log file. See, with these two parameters, the log directory, a log file, we can see what is the file located and what is the name of that file. So listener log is the name of the file. We already saw that. So in case that this feature is not turned on, we can actually do it by using set log status on. Okay. So now let's assign the new directory of this. The folder that we created right here, which is this one. This spot. I need this spot. Okay, so it is set log directory. We have the directory right here, and